Google loyalty, Termite, Delaware. Leave your bug problems behind. Call 302-386-3999.
Ron here, Loyalty Pest Control. If you're having issues with mice getting into your garage, checking the corners there, usually that's where they like to nibble through and chew through and enter. But we get some hardware cloth. What we do is we take it, roll it just like that for it to be able to fit inside the ends of the garage door seal. This customer didn't want to replace the entire seal. They just wanted to fix those corners. So we said, okay. Now this garage door is just level enough to where it doesn't pinch the metal, and this was a nice little solution to stop those mice from getting into the garage. And uses some construction adhesive or some foam, I think, which you'll see in the next little clip there, after we make sure that's nice and secure. And here we are. Use our foam, our black foam there, get everything tightened up. And hey, there you go. Call Loyalty Pest if you have a problem with mice getting into the garage. Thanks again for watching this video.
Google loyalty, Termite, Delaware. Leave your bug problems behind. Call 302-386